Casey Anthony's back in the news. Casey doesn't want to pay Zenaida Gonzalez anything if she loses a defamation case against this woman who claims she, Zenaida, is not Zanny the nanny. All right, Mark. Casey knows Kaylee is dead, but tells everyone Zanny the nanny was her babysitter. Does Casey owe Zenaida Gonzalez something?
No, this case is ridiculous. I don't even think it gets to trial. This judge has given every indication that he's excluded everything except a statement between her and her mother. Other than that, and that the mother then republishes, which is the legal definition or predicate for the cause of action. I don't think this case gets anywhere.
Look, how many Zenaida Gonzalez's are there in that part of Florida? Gonzalez is a common name. Zenaida is unusual. And she said, this is the woman who took off with my daughter. I'm sure there are people out there who thinks this woman is a murderer.
Gonzalez.
And Casey making up a story to harm this woman, why shouldn't she have to pay her?
Do you think there's anybody who thinks Zenaida Gonzalez is a murderer?
Yeah,
because there isn't anybody that I know in America that thinks Casey Anthony is innocent. So
you know, what if people were saying Mark Garagos took off with my child, murdered my child? You know, there would be people out there who would believe it, God forbid. You know, that's why we have laws against defamation.
Right, but that's not what happened in this case. I mean, she told the mother in a conversation, the mother republishes it.
She told it to the police.
Judge,
she told the police, Zenaida Gonzalez.
That was not
the
the public. Well, you know that as well as I do. You've got immunities for that.
Let's take a quick call. Kathy in Virginia. Kathy?
Hi, Dr. Drew.
Kathy.
Hi. Yeah, you're sitting there discussing the Casey Anthony and, you know, where she suffers through all of, you know, she doesn't owe Zenaida Gonzalez anything. Zenaida Gonzalez wound up homeless, living in her car. And it seems like the state of Florida just doesn't pay any attention to any damage this woman has done. I don't understand. Should she not be held responsible for something?
Well, she's trying to prove the case now, and if she proves the case, I think she's entitled to damages against Casey Anthony if she has any money. Now, she probably doesn't have any money, but maybe she'll sell an interview. Maybe she's sold interviews, or she'll sell them in the future.
Whatever interview she's already sold, already went to Jose. So that's not going to happen. And I don't think, I'm telling you, I'll make my prediction now. I don't think this judge lets this get to a jury. Certainly not on punitive damages.